Let me tell you a story. Two freshers graduate this year. Both complete a PV course. Both apply for the same PV associate job. Both have the same degree, the same knowledge, the same dream, but only one gets selected. Why? Because while fresher one learned only case processing, the other fresher learned ChatGPT, Excel, AI tools, Power BI, LinkedIn, and other data skills. Same degree, but different outcome. And this gap is going to get much bigger over the next 5 years because the biggest threat to your career is not AI. The biggest threat is someone who knows how to use AI better than you. So today I'm going to show you the exact tools I would learn if I had to restart my PV career from zero in 2026. And the best part, most of them are completely free. Stay till the end because I'll also reveal the exact 90-day roadmap I'd follow if I were a fresher entering the industry today. Now, before start moving ahead, let's discuss the biggest mistakes that the freshers make. Every week, I get message like, "Sir, which certification should I do?" But very few people ask which skills make me difficult to replace. That's the real question. Because companies don't hire certificates, companies hire capability. Nobody gets promoted because they collected 20 certificates. They get promoted because they solve problems. And these tools help you solve problems faster than the average professionals. Quick question. If your company reduced its workforce tomorrow, would your skills make you indispensable or replaceable? Keep that question in your mind as we continue. Now let's discuss the first tool, ChatGPT. Now, before you say everyone knows ChatGPT, no. Most people know how to ask ChatGPT questions, but very few know how to work with ChatGPT professionally. Imagine you are preparing for an interview. Ask, act as a senior PV hiring manager and conduct a realistic interview. Instant mock question. Imagine receiving an unfamiliar adverse event. Then ask, explain the pathophysiology and PV relevance of this condition. Instant learning. Imagine reading a 150-page FDA guidance. Ask ChatGPT to simplify it. The number of hours will become minutes. The future belongs to professionals who supervise artificial intelligence, not those who ignore it. Now, here's something uncomfortable. Many freshers spend 30,000, 50,000 on certifications, but they spend zero time learning how to use AI productively. One of those investments is becoming more valuable every month. Guess which one? Now let's move on to the second tool, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel might be the most underrated career tool in pharmacovigilance. Most people know some average basic formulas, that's it. But the people who learn pivot tables, XLOOKUP, Power Query, dashboards, data validation, they become productivity machines. Imagine your manager asks, "We received 10,000 cases this month. Can someone identify the top products generating serious adverse events?" Most people might panic, but the one who knows Excel will finish that task before lunch, and that's the difference. Now, let's move on to the next tool, Power BI. Imagine two professionals attending a meeting. One presents an Excel sheet, the other presents an interactive dashboard showing signal trends, country trends, compliance metrics, product trends. Who looks more valuable? Now, exactly. Power BI transforms you from someone who reports data to someone who tells stories with data. And leaderships notices that. By 2030, data literacy will be more valuable than many traditional certifications because AI generates information, but humans still need to interpret it. Now let's move on to the next tool. Before moving to the next tool, I would like to add one point that many companies today, they hire, there's a like special position in the market, Power BI dashboard developers. This is a specialized post, and anyone who understands Power BI and can make dashboards using Power BI, they can have a better career option, including freelancing. Now let's move on to the next tool, SQL. Most PV professionals ignores the SQL. Big mistake. When people hear SQL, they think I'm not from IT. Good. You don't need to be. Every safety database runs on data. Every trend, every compliance metric starts with data. And SQL helps you with retrieve that information. This single skill can open opportunities in signal detection, PV analysis, business intelligence, safety technology terms. Some professionals are already doing the work of three people, not because they are smarter, because they are using better tools. The productivity gap is growing every year. Now, let's discuss about the research tool using AI. Most professionals still use Google like it's 2015, but the future professionals are using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Notebook LM. Now imagine uploading FDA guidance, EMA guidelines, SOPs, and medical literature and asking direct questions. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. The people who learn fastest usually win. These tools help you learn faster than ever before. Now, the next tools, the core PV tools, any safety database, Argus, Viva Vault, or LSMV, Vigiflow. Here's where many freshers get confused. They chase the softwares. Instead of understanding the processes, think of it this way. Buying a Formula One car doesn't make you a racing driver. Similarly, learning where to click inside Argus doesn't make you a PV professional. First, you have to understand case intake, follow-up processing, triage, medical coding, narrative writing, workflow states. Once you understand the process, learning any software becomes easy, whether it's Argus, Viva Vault, or RSG, or the next AI-powered safety platform. If AI entered your company tomorrow, would you be excited or worried? Your answer tells you how prepared you are for the future. Now, let's move on to the next tool, Python. Let's be realistic. You don't need Python to get your first PV job, but you may need it to lead innovation projects later. Python can automate reports, data cleaning, trend analysis, repetitive tasks. Think of Python as a long-term investment, not for your next interview, but for your next decade. Now, let's move on to a very exciting and different tool, that is LinkedIn. This one surprises people. LinkedIn. One fresher sends 300 applications and gets ignored. Another freshers post weekly about drug safety, AI and PV, Medra, learning journey. And 6 months later, a recruiter starts contacting them. Same knowledge, different visibility. You have to understand visibility creates opportunities. The highest paid professionals usually combine three things: knowledge, technology, and communication. You remove one of them and your growth slow down. So if I lost everything today, no network, no job, no experience, and had to restart my PV career from scratch, this is exactly what I would learn. In the first month, I would master ChatGPT, prompt engineering, Microsoft Excel, and I would learn about Medrock basics, which can be learned from their official website for free. In the month two, I would learn SQL, Power BI, AI research tools. And in the month three, I will gather Argus concepts, Viva concepts, and I would make my personal brand on LinkedIn. Not 20 certifications, not 50 courses, just the skills that actually move your careers forward. And remember this, the future is not human versus AI. The future is human plus AI versus human alone. The people who learn these tools today will be leading teams tomorrow. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these skills are you currently learning? And if you want my complete free PV career roadmap with course links, certifications, and learning sequence, you can comment roadmap and I'll create that video next. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.